So this is my Criterion C for my technology assessment. So the first thing I made was a Gantt chart to show my process throughout the whole project. So this is my Criterion C solution, and all the tasks you finish are in green. The last task is the video that I'm making right now. So the plan and justifications, here's the steps that I'm gonna do that I followed the plan, and how much time it took and how much time it actually takes to do it, and all the materials needed. And I have a sentence about can they feasibly create my product, the time that's needed, the strategies that are going to be used, the skills that I will need, and then I made the product with my process journal. So first I'll show the product. So the magazine, this is the actual magazine. And the first page, as you can see, is red because of I'm gonna highlight the main depth and emotion of the issue, which is the refugee crisis, which is going on in Europe right now. And this shows both perspective, as I'm a neutral person that's only trying to get the information across, not trying to pick sides. And the background information page is the first page, and I use a lot of techniques and skills to enhance the ability of the product and the title and stuff. And the solution to the crisis, which is 1, 2, and 3, which is my second. And my pictures are laid out in different formats to show like the spacing and using of different creativity in the pictures. And Germany plays a big part in this refugee crisis, therefore I made a page against it. And all these information I got as my own. And as you can see, the pictures and show how Germany has influenced. And the colors and the borders of the magazine has really gotten the attention of people and has gone across the issue by putting in more investigations, as in this page. And my last page, which is the credits and contacts page, this is the page that I use to the last page, which is if my audience the magazine creators want to give me some advice for my product or anything else, they can just do that. And the last picture. So that's my whole magazine, and this is my documentation. So the first day I made the Gantt chart. As you can see, the work is not that much done, but now it is. And this was quite the journey. This was quite the journey as I did finish, and this was the plan that I created. That was my first step. The second step was to start the magazine. As you can see, this was the first page and how it was before, and the challenges that I faced throughout the whole thing. And this is me doing the work. This shows evidence of me creating the thing. So this shows how I created the whole magazine, and from the starting. And the goal for my next class, this was in each of my entries to show like the depth of my magazine. And the magazine started with the green and yellow page, but I changed it in my justification of the changes here, changes made to the plan, where my teacher told me that it isn't that enhancing or relatable to the issue, making it like a children's thing. So I changed the fonts, I changed everything, I made it into a red color to show, as you can see in the German influence, to show the relatability to the issue and the emotion using like empathy. And this is my goal for my next class, which is the last page, which is I need to do, and to start my German influence page. And this was a page that I really had to put effort to because I wanted to make this page stand out, as it was the bulk of my argument. And finally, I did make the credits page as my entry shows, and I did this myself, as the pictures in the evidence show, and the bibliography in the end to show where I got my information from, and the final product, which is here. So this is my Criterion C, and I hope for this product to be a success.